Boy.
All right, go ahead.
Hey boys and girls, today we're doing a little bit of a different job for this client. Picked up himself a brand new Ram truck and wasn't happy with what the dealer was offering him for trade-in on the old girl. So we took care of his new truck first, undercoating, a little bit of paint protection, and we're working on a box liner for it as well. And now that we've got his new truck up and running and he's happy driving it, he dropped off the old girl, 2010, I believe, 2010 Ram. He's a Dodge guy. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, ready to rock and roll and get her for online sale. Customer's gonna take care of the sale of this unit all by himself, but doesn't have the time, nor the need, nor the want to go through the whole truck and give it a good clean. Degrease the engine, make sure the floor mats all look nice, get the windows clean. When was the last time you cleaned the inside of your windshield, right? We're all negligent, we never do it enough. We're doing deep clean on the interior, steaming all the vents. If you haven't yet, get into doing steam cleaning. Everybody out there that does do detailing already knows how important it is to have steam now. Gets a lot deeper, gets those stains lifted a lot easier. The whole idea behind detailing is work easier, let chemicals and tools do the work for you. So with all the equipment, the carpet cleaners, the steam cleaners, the leather cleaning, get the vehicles cleaned up, try to make it look as good as we can for the next owner. Making sure we're gonna be doing some fender flares. We've got a couple mud flaps that we gotta refix for the customer. They've half ripped off, wrong fasteners, self-tappers. So getting those fixed up, making sure the inside looks good, making sure the outside with a few rock chips, a few little scratches, a few blemishes. We're gonna doctor up the outside, make it look good too. Make sure all the equipment on the exterior works, even doing little things like making sure you've got all the signal lights are working, make sure the third brake light is working on the back. It's the simple things like that that's gonna get you the premium for your used vehicles when you try to sell them. So if you're not interested in doing the deep clean or you picked yourself up a new truck, we'll take care of you in two ways. We'll detail the old rig, get it ready for sale, even help you out selling it if you're interested, or bring us your new vehicle. We can do the brand new vehicle special. We can get the sound deadening. We can do the undercoating. We can do the ceramics, the nano ceramics, the graphene coatings, the paint protection films on the outside. Anything you want to do to make this stuff last longer, that's what we specialize in. We want to make sure that this stuff outlasts us. So from the inside to the outside, we can make sure that it's going to do what you want it to do. Private, commercial, lease units, even the Uber boys and girls have been coming to us. We've been doing some polishing on the Uber stuff. So nobody's immune. We'll get at you, we'll get under you, we'll get it all ready, make sure this stuff lasts for a long time. So Shield Coatings, give us a shout. You can find us online. Stop by anytime.
Your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame. Yeah. Cash in the bag, baby in the bag. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, baby in the bag. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got cash in the bag, baby, I'm bad. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.